Day 5 comp day. Ngayon habal kaming bus. Takbo ka. Punta kaming Clementi. Yun lang. Takits mamaya. Talon-talon ulit.
Same lang lasa.
Singaporean steam.
May milk tea doon.
Di ba pag bawa may MRT? Dami yan eh.
Hindi kami chinat. Hindi kami chinat. Comp day.
Ha?
Comp day. Ilang challenge magagawa mo?
60. 60 challenge.
60 ba? Matatapos mo lahat? Sana.
Pero sana mga ano, maka 30 at least.
Kahit kalahati lang. Okay na.
Okay na yan.
Aambag ako ng 2.
Aggregation na lang. That's my goal.
Aggregate na lang sa akin yung mga madali.
Ilan goal mo challenge?
Anong goal? Ilang goal mo sa akin?
Yung gaganon. Tapos
So, ilan ba 100 yun? Di ba 100?
60 daw.
59!
Ilan tayo?
58.5! 1,000!
Kalahati lang. Ano tayo?
Ikaw ilan?
Kalahati lang. Okay na.
Kalahati, 30.
Nanalo.
Iyan naman ay 40 mo naman.
40 ba?
Sugar ka eh.
Sugar ka.
10 lang pero pinakamahigit.
Gusto ko yung ano yung QM eh.
Yung may QM?
Player ba yun? QM.
Oo, pero parang magta-tropa-tropa, nag-videoan.
Ah.
Sama-sama.
That's yung story compilation. Dito na kami Clementi. Hindi pa tayo yung spot pero meron pa doon yung sa rooftop spot. Titikot muna kami. Hindi ko alam baka kakain muna kami or briefing. Tingnan natin mamaya. Pre. Ayun na sa CP pre, yakapin mo.
CP pre, yakapin mo na.
Nagbe-briefing na sila. Filipino guys are here.
Outside. What? No, I didn't.
Hi guys.
Hey, how's it going? How's it going?
Okay.
Si Marvin.
Wala ako, mag-walker muna tayo eh.
Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, usually people will come late, but if it rains, too bad for them. Yeah. Okay, so you all have time to do the challenges. Okay, so first of all, we are gonna.
Clementi, concur.
Mari tayo sa city.
Fanboy mode activate. CP! Nabalik ko kaya lang.
Fine, yeah. If you cannot find, it's okay. You can go follow people. Yeah, people. When other people find, you also can follow them. But they might. You need to queue up for the challenge. All right, have fun, everyone.
You did the photo shoot and all that. There's a shelter one there.
Starting to rain. It's starting to rain.
No regret. Regret.
We're going to the shelter. Oh no! Hanap kami silong, bumili kami ng pagkain, noodle cutlet, chicken cutlet noodle, and chicken cutlet rice. Manok na naman! Sarap.
Yours cannot 0.5. I try my best, let's go. Big swing, come on. Oh. Very rough, right? Very rough, right? Yeah, rolling. Hands. Drop, DK. Motor, Naomi.
Remove here.
Ready. Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy.
Let's go, Mr. Sugar Daddy. One, two, 2 feet. Hey! He's by his crypto ergonomics. Swing, swing, big swing, 2 feet. Yeah, very nice. Good. We grab. Big swing. More swing, more swing. Yeah.
Ow!
Oh yeah. One more.
Random.
Maybe you can do one, but we cannot step.
Yep. Yep. The King Reyes look.
Sugar.
Challenge sugar.
Challenge sugar.
Roasted.
Ano, Sugar? Si Sugar reaction video, ginagawa niya yung, nag-set si Sugar ng challenge. Siya lang nakakagawa. Ano.
Public reaction, let's go.
So many people doing it now. Pero walang Pinoy.
Reyes, Mr. Bean.
No to Olo.
Whoa, to back time.
Out ka na.
Dasa police. Pero all goods naman siguro. Hindi naman na-kick out. Malis na eh. Mali pala ako. We got kicked out. So lipat-spat kami. Buti maaraw na. Pero may ano pa rin, konting ambon. Pero maaraw na. We are going to check out Clementi Roof. We're going there now. Asan ka?
Next spot eh.
We're here, Clementi Stadium spot. I already did a dive front here. But I wanna go again kasi nag-side siya sa dulo. Hindi ko gusto. Tsaka hindi ko na-filman dito sa GoPro. So baka ulitin ko. Ulitin ko pala. So, yeah. Ang gagawin mo?
Hindi ko pa alam. Sana magawa ko.
Yeah.
Was that felt higher than I thought.
The height was so surprised.
You did?
Yeah. All of us.
All of you?
That's the type of
Human left.
slippery. Yeah, I think that's
Pag talon mo mismo na tumawid ako. 2 months mental battle.
One bang.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Oh! Oh shit. Oh shit.
Ayan, ang dami ko rin challenge na nagawa. Pero yung iba hindi ko na videohan. May line na hindi natapos. Kasi nawiwili ako mag challenge kaya hindi masyado nakakapag-video. So sorry. Yun lang. Kung anong makikita nyo dito sa video ng GoPro, yun na yun. Sorry again. Basta panoorin nyo lang. Akit kami sa Clementi rooftop, taas. So, see you later. Bye-bye. May cash spot daw. Punta natin.
Tapos lagi yung mga niya, mga Instagram story niya, motivation to fail. She's for your dream,
It's not over until I know.
Binubultong mo to? Sana all. Uy, dito kayo nag-stretching ah.
Ay, ako ba?
Yo.
Side pre. Tingnan mo doon.
Galing din sa ano. Ay, sorry pre. Sorry. Naitlogan ka.
Bro, dito yung playo.
I got 14 points so far. 14. Farming points lang tayo. Ginagawa lang natin yung mga madadali. So, yun. Hindi ko na nabibidyohan. Masyado akong busy. Busy ako. So, sorry. Again. So, yeah. Kamusta yung Comfy?
Solid. First time ko sumali sa Skillcom kasi wala sa Pilipinas.
Real.
Tapos maganda pa yung spot dito kaya solid.
Mas masaya tas kaysa sa style, less pressure eh. Chill lang. Kung tingin ko during habang tumatakbo yung kumakain tayo.
Ano, di ba? Dami time.
Daming time.
12.5.
Kamusta yung Skillcom?
Okay naman, masaya. Thank you PKSG. Thank you Jeremy.
Thank you, PKSG. Thank you, Jeremy. Yes.
I don't know who's that.
Night cat.
They will 1 point. But he was still show in.
Old boys.
Tino 10 points.
Yeah.
Rodney 12 points. Rance 14 points. Lyman 7 points. Still compete until Sunday. Sheng Yang 16 points. But the winner is Sugar. 19 points.
Winner. He already needs a new shirt.
Goodie bag. Alright, you can choose. I don't know what's inside. This is
Unboxing.
my closet. I just take
Oh my god.
Alright, you choose. We got red, we got black.
What size is this?
Yes.
This is large.
Harbor yan.
Tank top.
TikTok. Oh. Wow.
For me. Okay, but
We got more.
you got more? You have any large?
He wants everything.
Anything large?
All of it. He wants all of it.
Inch M. This is large.
Yes.
I'll take this one.
That one. Alright. The latest side. Latest one. It's the white version of me. The black version.
Yes.
Is that the big one?
Fit.
Special ones, yeah?
Yeah.
Put it
The
on.
one got
Put it on.
this is special one.
Put it on.
Oh, yeah, this is special one. Yeah, this is special one.
Put it on.
Alright.
Whoa! 1, 2, 3, yeah. Let's go. Put it on. Put it on.
Good job.
Show this to Guampaco
Just
community. Yeah. I've been to SG. I conquered. Show it to yourself. Show it to himself. Yes, sir. Damn. Woo! City.
Take over.
Tontuwa ang community
I took
ng Guam.
over Singapore.
This was like a beta test. So, how do you guys find it? Just one
It's pretty chill.
It's so fun.
Anything that maybe like what you like or what we need to what we can improve.
You don't like the weather.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
Maybe wet weather.
Yeah, that was good. You added more undercover.
No, maybe more undercover.
But like when you guys read the challenges, it's all clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Of the like user experience to figure out everything. It's okay. Awesome. Alright.
This first works.
Tech guys. Yeah, you wanna
He wants shirt so bad.
stay here.
I want the shirt so bad.
Yeah. Let's take group photo.
Philippines.
Taking photo.
Western Fusion. Everybody. I'm here for the Western Fusion. Everybody. Oh.
Friends, kita ka dyan. Okay lang dyan. There's still space on this side.
Do you want more?
Anything. One more. He can send us that, I think. Guantanamo Bay.
Ikaw pa rin ang idol ko. Wow! Bracelet. Sorry. Alright, thank you so much. Sheesh. Oh, thank you.
Hanap kami kakainan. With the boys. Poker. We're here, Chinatown. Saan tayo?
Chinatown.
Are you gonna dance there? You gonna dance?
No, I'm not.
They're doing this one.
It's quite funny because the old lady is dancing at Chinaman activities.
Chopstick shop. More food stalls there.
Oh, it's buy one get one free for those for the bird design. Yeah, for the.
What do you think about my hat?
I think it's good, man. You should get both.
I'm not tired. Wondering what you would say.
Pan. That's with a pan. Fuck. Looks like shit, but it's good.
Chinatown. So right back to Chinatown.
Maganda yung color niya. Damn, feels Soviet, man, this one.
Better than scratching your balls, huh? Nakita ko si Marvin dito. Nakita ko si Marvin.
Seryoso ba?
Oo, naglalakad. Nakita nga ako eh, tinawag ako. May kasamang babae. Sige na, ma'am. Makipag-date ka muna.
Seryoso?
Andun siya sa binibila namin ng kitchen.
Ano yun? Nagbibili lang siya?
Naggagala daw siya. Ang dami daw nila pinuntahan eh.
Chinese na ba?
Hindi, Pilipino.
We saw our other friend. They saw our other friend. Oh, Marvin.
Mahal ulol.
Never forget it.
Ninja taught me can.
Day 5 done. Day 5 done. Comfy went well. Uwi na kami after Chinatown. Dami niya nabili. Tapos tomorrow, ang plano ata tomorrow is matuloy PK Park. Ayun, nakita lang bukas. Ayun.